Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you are feeling good and ready to learn something important today. Before we start our session today, let us pray together according to our belief so our activity can run well and smoothly. Pray begins. Praise enough. Thank you everyone. Before we start, my name is Ms. Regina Rahmafuzianti and I will be your teacher for today's session. I'm really glad to see all of you here this morning. Before we begin, I would like to make sure everyone is present. I will call you names one by one. Please respond by saying here or present. Intan? Alright, thank you Intan. Fahra. Thank you Fahra. I'm happy to know that all of you are here and ready to learn today. Before we start, please make sure you are comfortable and focus on today's session. Alright students, today we are going to talk about mental health. Sometimes people think that mental health is not important, but actually mental health is just as important as physical health. When our mental health is good, we can study better, communicate better, and enjoy our daily activities. But when our mental health is disturbed, we may feel stressed, tired, anxious, or even lose motivation. Nowadays, many students experience stress because of assignment, exams, friendship problems, and pressure from social media. That's why understanding mental health is very important for students. Okay, before we continue, let's do a simple activities together. I want you to close your eye for a few seconds, take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out slowly. Now think about one thing that made you smile this week. Maybe your friends, your father, your family, or your favorite food, or something funny. Alright, you can open your eyes now. How do you feel? Hopefully you feel a little calmer and more relaxed. Okay, let me show you something. Now, I want to ask you some question. Have you ever felt very tired because of school assignments? Okay, have you ever felt stressed or overwhelmed? Or maybe sometimes you look okay on the outside but actually feel tired inside? Please raise your hand if you have ever experienced that feelings. I think many students experience these feelings. Sometimes students also compare themselves to others and feel insecure or worry about their future. And that's why learning about mental health is very important. So what is mental health? Mental health is our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Mental health affects how we think, we feel, and we act. For students, mental health can affect concentration, confidence, motivation, and relationship with others. There are many things that can influence mental health, such as academic pressure, family problems, friendship issues, lack of rest, overthinking, and social media pressure. If mental health is not maintained properly, students may find it difficult to focus in class, become easily emotional, or lose enthusiasm for learning. Because of that, we need to understand ourselves and take care of our mental health from early age. There are some ways to maintain our mental health. First, get enough rest and sleep. Second, manage your study time properly so you do not feel overwhelmed. Third, talk to someone you trust when you feel stressed. 4. Do activities that make you happy, such as listening to music, exercising, journaling, or spending time with friends and family. 5. Try to think positively and avoid comparing yourself too much with others on social media. And lastly, remember that it's okay to ask for help. You do not need to handle everything alone. Sometimes students feel afraid or embarrassed to talk about their problems, but keeping everything alone can make us feel more stressed or overwhelmed. If you feel confused, anxious, or emotionally tired, you can talk to someone you trust. For example, your parents, your friends, teacher, or your school counselor. In school, BK teachers are here to listen and help students, not to judge them. BK teacher can help students find solutions, give support, and motivate students to become better. So do not be afraid to share your feelings and ask for support when you need it. Remember, ask for help is not a sign of weakness. It means you care about yourself and your mental health. Now, I would like to hear your answer. Intan, what do you usually do when you feel stressed? Alright, thank you Intan. Sleeping and resting can help our body and mind feel better. Fahra, what about you? That's very good, Fahra. Spending time with friends can help reduce stress and make us feel happier. Everyone has different way to feel better, and that's completely okay. Before we end today's session, is there anyone who wants to ask a question? Alright, if there are no questions, let's schedule today's lesson. Students, please remember that you do not have to be perfect all the time. It's normal to feel tired or stressed sometimes. The important thing is learning how to manage those feelings in a healthy way. Alright everyone, today learn about mental health, the importance of taking care of ourselves. Thank you for your attention. Stay healthy, stay positive, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.